viewers, welcome to Cook with Gauri. So today I have brought for you all easy chocolate banana ice cream that too with just 5 ingredients. And guess what? This ice cream is without any cream. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications of my upcoming videos. So let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe, we need 3 bananas. Chop them into slices. Now, put the chopped bananas into a Ziploc bag and freeze them for about an hour or so. Now, we need half a cup of chocolate for this recipe. You can also use dairy milk if you don't have this kind of a milk compound. Chop them into small chunks. Now, add the freezed banana slices into the mixture jar. Add half a cup of chocolate chunks. Add 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence and 12 teaspoons of milk. Blend it properly. After it's blended, add 3 teaspoons of sugar to it and blend it again. Now our mixture is ready. Pour it in a tin and layer it up with some chocolate chunks. Repeat the process. Add the remaining chocolate chunks and even out this mixture using a spatula. Now cover it with a butter paper or an aluminium foil and make sure that your butter paper touches the ice cream. Press it gently and cover it tightly with the lid. Freeze the ice cream overnight. I have let this ice cream set for 12 hours and now take out the aluminium foil or the butter paper. Isn't this the perfect texture? Now dip the scoop in lukewarm water so that the ice cream comes out real quick. Scoop it out in a bowl. Garnish the ice cream with some chocolate chunks and some almond slices. Now our ice cream is ready to be served. Isn't that the perfect creamy texture? Thank you for watching my video.